Hey guys, are you looking to trim a video on Instagram but not sure how? In this quick and easy Instagram tutorial, I'll show you everything you need to know. Just follow the simple steps demonstrated in this video and you will have your video trimmed in no time. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, simply open up your Instagram mobile application. After that, you simply have to tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. From here, you have to select any of the video or story that you want to post. For example, if I want to post this video, I will simply tap on the arrow next. Once you are on the screen, simply tap on the trim at the bottom left corner of the screen. Then once you are on this screen, you will see there is something like a timeline going through your video. So in order to trim your video, simply move the sliders to anywhere you like and you can see how my video is trimmed. Now once I have trimmed the video, I have to tap on done, and from here I can add music, stickers and all the other good stuff to this, and then simply I have to post this video. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.